Hi dear students, welcome back to the lectures of Formal Languages Automata Theory. This is an PDA example for balanced parentheses. So questions might be asked like this: design a PDA for balanced parentheses or design PDA for well-formed parentheses. So these are the examples for well-formed parentheses. If there is a open parenthesis, there must be a closed parenthesis. Then only we will call it as a well-formed parenthesis. Otherwise, it will not be called as a well-formed parenthesis. These are the examples for not well-formed parenthesis. See here, we have open parenthesis but no closed parenthesis. That's why this is called not well-formed parenthesis. See here, open parenthesis is there. Immediately we have closed parenthesis. Otherwise, we can take like this. Two open parenthesis means we must close them with two closed parentheses. Like that we should have. So they are called as well-formed parentheses and these are called not well-formed parentheses. We will go for construction of PDA here. This problem is similar to the construction of equal number of A's and equal number of B's. That is A power n, B power n. Whenever we get left parenthesis or open parenthesis, we will just insert into the stack. Again, if you get left parenthesis, open, push that into the stack. Suppose if you get the starting symbol as if you get the starting symbol as left parenthesis, we will insert them into the stack. Otherwise, you may get here one more possibility. Initially, it must start with open parenthesis only. If you take any well-formed parenthesis, that must start with starting parenthesis only. So if it is starting with starting parenthesis, we will just insert them into the stack. And after that, there is a possibility of getting open parenthesis or closed parenthesis. If we get open parenthesis, just insert that also into the stack. If we get closed parenthesis, on top of the symbol is also stacked, we will just insert them into the stack. See here, the input symbol is open parenthesis, top of the stack is also open parenthesis. Just push them into the stack. And the next one is, if the input symbol is right parenthesis and top of the stack is left parenthesis, different input symbol is encountered, just to pop the top of the symbol from the stack, pop the left parenthesis from the stack. And if the input symbol is left parenthesis, and if the top of the symbol is Z0, then we will say that it will the final state it is getting accepted by the final state. So please observe the sequence of steps here. In the first step, I told you that if it is a left parenthesis and input symbol is left parenthesis, top of the symbol is Z0, we will push. Second one, again there is a chance of getting left parenthesis, top of the symbol is left parenthesis, just push that also into the stack. And third step is here, if the input symbol is right parenthesis and we have top of the symbol as also right parenthesis, we will just insert them into the stack, If fourth step is here, if the input symbol is right parenthesis, if the top of the stack is left parenthesis, we will just pop that symbol from the stack. That doesn't mean that in the beginning we must get left parenthesis only. After that, there is a possibility of getting left parenthesis or right parenthesis. From there onwards, what we will do, if the different input symbol is encountered. See here, if the right parenthesis at top of the stack is left parenthesis, so we will pop that. Okay, this is how we are going to perform. Fifth step is what? If the input symbol is left parenthesis and top of the stack is right parenthesis, then also we will perform pop operation. Okay, the only thing you need to remember is in the beginning, the possibility is that we must get left parenthesis only. We will not get, there is no possibility of getting right parenthesis in the beginning. Why? Because we will not get the well-formed parenthesis if it begins with right parenthesis. Okay, so this is the example I want to explain you, and this is the same problem which is similar to equal number of A's and equal number of B's, but there what we discussed, we will take AA, BB, equal number of A's, B. Same input symbol is encountered, we will perform in push operation. If symbol is changed, we will perform pop operation. But here it doesn't like it is not like that. But the small difference is, consider this is the example. We have left parenthesis here, just push. Again left parenthesis, just push. And after that we have right parenthesis, pop that. Again we have right parenthesis, pop that. Suppose if there is a parenthesis like this one, left parenthesis, right parenthesis, right parenthesis. Okay. And one more thing, see, we will not get like this, right? This is not an example for well-formed parenthesis. well formed parenthesis this one, two parentheses we will get. If it is left parenthesis, just push that into the stack. If the next input symbol is right parenthesis, top of the symbol is left parenthesis, pop. If the next symbol is left parenthesis, just push that into the stack. And if the next symbol is right parenthesis, top of the symbol is left parenthesis, then pop that from the stack. Like that, finally, the stack will be empty. If the stack is empty, we are going to the final state with that empty symbol, Z0, otherwise epsilon. So this is how we are going to perform push and pop operations in well-formed parentheses like this. Okay. So in the next example, we will see another concept of PDA. Thank you.